Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to unpack and review a Pepe jeans London shirt, so let's begin. This is a floral print, regular fit long sleeve shirt which I bought for $899 from Amazon. My first impressions are not that great as I didn't receive it in proper branded box, and then the fabric feels kind of dull. As I can see, it's like off-white in color and doesn't give the new vibe. The floral print, the stitching and the buttons are fine, and so no worries there. The problem that I have is the fabric. The fabric is kind of see-through. I guess you can see it in the video. Overall, I don't appreciate the product and I'm not at all satisfied, as I didn't get a product which is a bang for my buck. Anyways, let's try this and see how it looks, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing our channel. Thank you.